The commissioned roads include Rwenzori Road, Mandela Road, 3rd Street, Chitalikobi Road, Park Rise, Stanley Road, Margarita Road, Rocky the 3rd Port Circular, Crescent Road, Mandela Road, Total Road, Mbogoyaba and Lincoln Road in Kasese Municipality. The projects worth 53 billion shillings have been constructed under the Uganda Support Municipal Infrastructure Development USMID program. In addition to the roads, the municipality has benefited from complementary infrastructure design to support a modern and resilient urban environment. These include upgraded drainage systems, green spaces to enhance climate resilience, a solid waste management system complete with a garbage truck, and infrastructure committees linking communities directly to government efforts. In his address, President Museveni indicated how the challenge facing national development is not lack of commitment, but scattered thinking and pursuit of instant gratification by various actors.
The only problem I have with the different actors is the scattered thinking. They don't know that kamu gwechi. That's all. And then the Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of heaven, the rest will be added unto you.
He also noted that the foundation of Uganda's development was laid through a deliberate focus on security, thus cautioning leaders both political and religious against seeking cheap popularity by promising to do everything at once.
If we do not have security, now you go to your cousins in Congo. What can they do? They can't do this, they can't do that, because there is no security. No security. You see them here, you know. Actually, you are the one who should be telling the whole country that, please, be careful. First things first. So for us, we say security.
The president reaffirmed NRM's development philosophy of security first, then roads and transport, then electricity for the private sector, education for our children and others. He concluded with a powerful call for unity and discipline among leaders and communities.
Security, we go to transport, the trunk transport to link the country. Then electricity for private sector. Private sector need electricity. Then education for the children. Abana babana kubagenda kuwaletera ebizibu. Abana obutasoma. Abana okutasoma bakazombyalo ngo.
The Minister of Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Honorable Judith Nabako, applauded the transformative impact of the funded infrastructure projects in Kasese Municipality, calling them a symbol of progress and a model for urban development.
The municipality received 54 billion under the USMID program, and they managed to construct 7 kilometers of tarmac, procured 1 garbage truck, collection truck, and also secured their council offices by improving on their parking space, but also fencing it off, improved their revenue generation systems, improved environmental and social systems, transparency and accountability through municipal development forums, among others.
The minister noted that Kasese Municipality joined the USMID program with ambition and has since emerged as one of the top-performing urban centers in Uganda, citing that these investments have not only improved road networks but have also ushered in a wave of modern amenities and economic opportunities.
I would say that before USMID, it was badly off. But as we speak, if somebody came here during the wee hours of night, there is a lot of business taking place. People are using this whole street to transact from evening up to dawn, meaning that your infrastructure has created a greater impact onto the Kasese municipality. And no wonder they managed to raise their revenue from 400 million before USMID.
The mayor of Kasese Municipality, Mr. Chance Kahindo, praised the successful implementation of road infrastructure, describing it as a symbol of accountability, urban progress and government commitment to local development. John Baptist Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.